keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samira, aka MelaninPrincess, and if you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already part of the family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. In this video, I am just simply going to show you guys how to set up your HFX account. Guys, HFX, also known as high frequency Forex, is the new deal. If you are a Forex trader and you know what Forex is, you should already know about HFX. Guys, this is a no-brainer of joining and actually understanding and just doing it, because it's so easy, it's so simple, and it's easier to get your bag and deal. Like, not wasting no time, not wasting no patience. Like, you don't have to have patience for this. So without further ado, before I rambling on and things like that, let's just get into this video.
Okay, so go to your web browser and type in Videforex.com. Once you get to the actual website, you will see that the format is set up just like this. Then you see at the very top right corner, there is a 3 bar. Okay, so you're gonna press on that, and then they have all of these different options, and you're just gonna simply press on sign up. Okay, so you want to make sure it says open an account, and then you're just going to type in your name. Okay, so just for privacy purposes, I'm just going to go ahead with a John Doe. Okay, so this is not really my number and things like that, so don't get it twisted. Okay, so of course you want to put your email address. So of course I'm just making up a false email address, and then you put in a password code that you are going to always remember. Okay, never place your password code anywhere else, especially for this account, because this is where your money will be at. And so you have the option of the account currency, so I'm going to use a US dollar. Okay, so John Doe email address is not right, so obviously I couldn't do it, but I just wanted to show you guys how to actually open an account. Okay, so once you press next, it will go straight into your account, your actual account. So I'm just going to log in into my account and show you guys what it looks like once you press next. So basically, this is how your chart, this is how your account is going to be set up. You have your chart, you have your call, you have your put, you have the time. You basically have everything that you need to know in order to get you started. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys the chart, just the different options that they have, but basically this is what your account is set up. And press on account funding. Account funding, you have different options of depositing and withdrawing funds using Bitcoin. So you will press deposit funds, and you will just scroll down, and you will press your deposit. Okay, so your deposit is pretty much whatever you can invest, but the minimum that you can invest is $250. Okay, so I'm just going to place $250 into that and press done. Okay, and then you will choose your method. So you have Visa, Bitcoin, you know, all of the different options of putting into your account. So I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can fund your account. I prefer funding my account with Bitcoin, and like I said, if you need help on understanding how to fund your account using Bitcoin, because it's super fast and is it doesn't charge a fee or anything like that. So if you guys do want a video on that, just simply comment down below for that video. But this is simply the whole process of setting up your account.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my demonstration, and I hope it was straightforward and easy for you guys to set up your account. So before I let you guys go, I do want to let you guys know the difference between high Forex and Forex. Okay, so okay, so you have high frequency Forex as well as just regular Forex. So the difference between Forex and high frequency is that Forex is a little bit more riskier. It is also a good market to trade in and to make profits. But the only thing about Forex is that you have buy stops, you have sell stops, you have you have a lot of positions to help you to make money, but it's more riskier. On top of that, sometimes you can just have luck with Forex. Forex is very complex to learn compared to high frequency Forex. High frequency Forex, on the other hand, you can literally make $5 within a minute, within seconds, literally. But with Forex, you only have 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, a minute. But with Forex, it's like if you trade in a minute, yes, it's cool and all, yes, but you have to be watching it. High frequency Forex, it's almost like the same. You do have to watch your chart. You do have to make sure that once you get in that, you're making the right move. But it's so simpler, it's so easier. All you have to do is just literally press buy, press sell for however long that you want. You have literally all of the options that you can make within seconds, minutes. Who knows, you may want to do it for 5 minutes, whatever the case may be, but it's off of one candle. Whereas Forex is basically off of not just one candle, but it's off of a position. So Forex is more so of a long-term profitable, whereas high Forex frequency is more so of a short profitable market. And guys, if you are not in either or, you need to get in it. You need to invest. You need to just simply make more money if you are not making the money that you want to make. Guys, these two combined are some powerful, powerful, powerful tools to have in your investments, as well as to understand it. Guys, I'm telling you again, it's important to get both of your accounts in Forex and in your high frequency Forex account, okay? What I really like about HFX, the limit is $250. You have to start off with $250, point blank period. The lowest with Forex, you can start off with $10 and compound it every day to build it up to 1,000 or whatever. But with HFX, you do have to start off with $250. But the neat thing about HFX is that once you get started and you deposit that $250 into the account, they give you 100% of what you put into your account. So if you put in $250, they'll give you $250 again, and you will have a total of $500. So if you are brand new to HFX, you're not necessarily putting in your money and risking your money. You're actually risking the company's money, if that makes sense. So if you were to invest $1,000, what would you have? $2,000. So you literally have $1,000 to kind of play with, to kind of educate yourself to be a profitable trader altogether. And like I said before in my previous video with opening your account and making money with Forex, you guys, if you have more questions, if you want to get started right away, the link is down below. If you are still a little shaky and you do want a little bit more information, you can always DM me, or you can always just email me, okay? So my DM, you can just simply go to my Instagram page and just DM me. Please do not be upset if I do not respond right away, because I have a busy schedule. But just be patient with me. That's all I ask, okay? Also, with the email, I respond faster with my emails. So if you do want a faster response, just email me, okay? If you just want to get started, the link is also down below, and we'll just get you started right away. To end this year off, come on. I just want to say, before we log off, before we get this video done, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you, I really appreciate it. Much respect to you. All right, please make sure that you're investing, okay? Whether it's in real estate, whether it's in Forex, whether it's in HFX, please invest your money, okay? It's very important, especially if you're young. Invest your money, because years down the line, 5 years ago, you're probably gonna look at the person who did invest and be like, wow, I remember when it was $250, now it's up 100,000, now it's up 1 million. You missed a huge opportunity. Start now. You may not have that much to start, but that is okay because you have two different options. Like I said, this one starts off with $10, this one starts off with $250, but this one gives you another $250. Who does that? Your bank? Nobody does that. So get into the market, get into the market, get into the market, get into the market. But peace, y'all.